Thank you, Sudhanshuji, for taking out time during your travel. Truly an honor connecting with you again.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me again.
What does surrender look like to you?
I think surrender means you do your hard work, you do all your जिसे कर्मा बोलते हैं या कर्म कहते हैं. आप अपना कर्म करके उसके बाद सब कुछ भगवान के हाथों में छोड़ दीजिए. दैट इज सरेंडर. And that is what I think that is what appeals to God, because then He knows that okay, He believes in me, and He is then sure that He needs to take care of you.
Did you had any moment in your life, like the darkest moment, the saddest moment, and you still had to smile on the camera?
Of course, I have gone through a tremendous amount of ups and downs in life, like most of us, and I think I've had very difficult moments in life, and I've still had to uh, perform in front of the camera and still give my best, my 100%. And I think uh, that is what our profession is, and that is why it is not easy to be an actor, because you've got to be doing your job in every situation, in every condition, any sort of state of mind. You've got to be if you have to perform, you have to perform, because the show has to go on.
Yes. Do you think actors are healers also?
If I were to look at it from the entertainment point of view, yes, I would say that actors can heal, because when people like something that you do, or if you're like, for instance, I still remember a lot of incidents where I used to get messages that video messages also, that there are some people. There was some old lady who was on her deathbed, and the last things they watched were Anupama, and they would love to, that's all they wanted to see. So I can only assume how much peace and happiness it must be giving those people who know they are in the last moments, but they still wanted to watch it. So I would say that yes, I think we have a great responsibility on our heads as actors and performers, because we don't even realize how much um, we give to the audiences, and what our capacity of or what our position is in their lives, as entertainers.
So what one practice you swear by to maintain your mental health and you would like to tell all the people struggling with their mental health?
Uh, I think we have to, one, believe very strongly that nothing is permanent, right? Life is not permanent, time is not permanent, nothing remains the same always. So if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling unhappy, it is not forever. You've got to just hang in there. Tell yourself that this is only a passing phase. This too shall pass, and you will get through it one day, 100%. Because that is, ये सृष्टि का नियम है कि समय कभी भी ठहरता नहीं है. तो ना तो आपका कोई भाव, ना आपकी कोई फीलिंग, ना जो आप महसूस कर रहे हैं वो भी ठहर नहीं सकता है. हमेशा के लिए तो नहीं ठहर सकता है. हाँ, थोड़ा कम ज्यादा हो सकता है, लेकिन कभी भी हमेशा के लिए ठहर नहीं सकता. तो यू हैव टू टेल योरसेल्फ and believe in how the nature functions.
I truly swear by this because we all have, no matter how much wealth and fame we have, we all have ups and downs, and it is important to remember time never remains same.
Time
Uh,
never
but
ends.
when was the last time you said that I am not okay and you meant it?
I've never said it to others, I think, unless I am with some really close friend. You know, I may have mentioned the fact that, yeah, I'm not in the best possible shape right now. And because that, you are not going to be judged, and you're not going to be questioned, and you know that your friend is going to say something stupid or silly and make you laugh, and then you just you start feeling better, because uh, That's what you need. I think at that moment, I think you just need to burst your bubble at that point in time. And other than that, if I had to tell, or if I had to say it that I'm not okay, but I will be, I say it to myself, because that is who that matters in the end. You matter, yourself matters, and it is you who's feeling like that, and it is you who can heal yourself, and it is you who can guide yourself into healing. So you have to tell yourself, and yourself will find a solution always.
Amazing. So let's jump into the rapid fire. That's the most exciting part of the interview. What does love means to you?
See, love, I feel, is a feeling that, oh my God, it's a very difficult thing to explain in words. I always say that love is something that cannot be explained, defined, or put in words, because love is a feeling. You can only feel it, because the depth of, just like the depth of the ocean cannot be explained, depth of feeling love cannot be explained. Because when you feel the depth of love, when you're deeply in love, that can never be explained, because you can only feel it. There are certain things that you can't explain in this world. And love as a feeling is one of them. You can express happiness. You can it'll bring happiness to your face. It'll bring smile to your face. It'll change your aura. It'll change your demeanor. It'll change your body language. It'll change everything for you. It'll probably change the choice of words that come from your mouth. It would change everything, but you'll never be able to explain it or put it in words, because you can't define it. Love can only be felt, I feel.
So if you would have to choose between music or acting, what would you choose?
I would never choose in between them, because I think they both are equally beautiful, and music is my passion. Acting is my profession, and as an actor, I feel I have a lot to give. As an actor, there's a lot in me that I can, entertain the audience or surprise them, as a performer. Uh, because and also I make money from my acting. So as an actor, as a performer, I would say that I would never choose between the two. I would always choose both of them, because they both are related to each other. Because I think if you have music in you, if you understand and connect with music very deeply, the way you express as an actor also changes, and it really helps. And if you're an actor, which is vice versa, if you're an actor, and if you're a good actor, I'm sure you can sing and express really beautifully.
Absolutely. So do you feel that music bring healing in your life?
Of course, music is one of the best healers possible. Even just 5 minutes of something good that is soothing to your ears, it can really heal your mind and your soul in a big way. In a big way.
So one of your favorite song?
तुम जो मिल गए हो, तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया। एक भटके हुए राही को कारवां मिल गया। तुम जो मिल गए हो, तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया।
इतना सुकून.
I'm so glad. Thank you so much.
God bless you, Sudhanshu ji. Thank you
Thank
so much for your time. And like always, I truly enjoy listening to you and learning from you. God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you so much, Anjali. Thank you.